Sairam, welcome back students in your active English class. So today we will do active English chapter number 10, that is are there not. Are there not. So before we start the chapter, we will see the word are. A-R-E, are. Now, when we are talking about more than one person, or object, we will use the word are. Okay. We have to look at whether the noun is plural or singular. If the noun is singular, we will use the word is. If the noun is plural or there are more than one noun, we will use the word are. Okay, for that, let's see few examples. The cat is eating all of his food. The cat is eating all of his food. Now we're talking about the cat. There is only one cat. That is why is there. Okay. Now in second example, the cats. Now we're talking about more than one cat. Now plural. The cats are eating all of their food. Now they are more than one animal. Now we're talking about noun is here plural. That is why we have used the word are. Okay. Now we will see the word there. T-H-E-R-E, there. Now there refers to a location or a place. When I'm talking about a location or a place, I will use a word there. Now for example, there is your pencil box. Now here I'm talking about the location and a place. That is why I've used the word there. Okay. Now we will see few sentences. See the sentence here. There are 3 chairs in the classroom. Now classroom is a place. I'm saying that there are 3 chairs in the classroom. Now it is a positive sentence. That I'm telling, yes, there are 3 chairs in the classroom. Okay. Now next sentence. There are not any chairs in the classroom. Now not any is used for negative form. Remember, I've told you not any is used for negative sentence. There are not any chairs in the classroom. That means there is no chairs. There are not any chairs in the classroom. This is a negative form. Now we will do the question form. See the sentence here. There are any chairs in the classroom? This is wrong. Now, question never starts with there. It starts with are. So, are will come in front. Are there any chairs in the classroom? Are there any chairs in the classroom? Now, in the question, in the end, we use question mark. So, we will remove the full stop and we will put question mark. Now, this is a question. Are there any chairs in the classroom? Question mark. That means it is a question. Now, are is also used for asking a question. From when are comes in front, it becomes a question. Are there any chairs in the classroom? There are 3 chairs in the classroom. There are not any chairs in the classroom. Okay. Now we will see few examples. Now you can see the picture here. In this picture, there's a room. For example, just imagine this is your room. Okay. Now in your room, there's bed, books, laptop, clothes. There's your toy, chair. So a lot of things there. Okay. Now see the question here. Are there any clothes in your room? Can you see clothes in your room? Are there any clothes in your room? Yes, there are. Now, yes, there are is a short answer. Yes, there are. Now, are there any clothes in your room? Yes, there are. It's a short answer. Now, what is a long answer? There are some clothes. There are some clothes. Now, this is a long answer. Yes, there are. There are some clothes. Now we will see one more example here. You can see the picture. Okay, now just imagine this is your new room. We will see a question according to this picture. Okay, see the picture here. Now see the question. Are there any plants in your room? Are there any plants in your room? So the picture here, is there any plant in this picture? Not in this picture, not this plant. Okay. Are there any plants in your room? Can you see any plants here? No. No, there are not. Now, no, there are not is a short answer. No, there are not. Now, let's see the next sentence. There are not any plants. There are not any plants. This is a long answer. No, there are not. There are not any plants. Okay. Now we will do the textual exercise. Take out your page number 23. Write down today's date, that is 18/8/2020. Left top in the corner. Left top in the corner you have to write today's date. 18/8/2020, page number 23. Now, answer the questions. Answer the questions. Now, see the picture here. You can see it's a classroom. Okay. Now, in the classroom, you can see there's a blackboard, desks are there, windows are there, so many students are there. Okay. So, according to this, we will see the questions. Now, first question. Are there any desks in your classroom? Are there any desks in your classroom? Now you can see the picture. Are there desks? Yes, there are. Yes, there are, right? Yes, they are. It's a short answer. Now next answer is there are some desks. So they can say there are some desks. Yes, they are. There are some desks. Now next one. Again the same picture. It's the next question. Are there any windows in your classroom? So in your classroom, can you see the windows here? Yes, dash. Now what will come here? Yes, there are. Very good. Yes, there are. There are dash. There are some windows. Very good. Now, yes, there are some windows. Very good. The next question here. Are there any horses in your classroom? See the classroom here. Can you see any horses here? No. Very good. No, there are not. No, there are not. There are not any horses. Now, when we're talking about negative sentence, we will use the word any here. No, there are not. There are not any horses. Very good. Now, next question. Are there any children in your classroom? So, in your classroom, are there any children? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There dash. There some children. There are some children. Yes, they are. There are some children. Now, next. So let's see the next question. Are there any dogs in your classroom? Now see the classroom. Are there any dogs? Are there any dogs in the classroom? No, no dash. No, there are not. Very good. No, there are not. Now, next sentence. There are not any dogs. There are not any dogs. Or we can say there are no dogs. Remember, we have done there are no dogs. There are not any dogs. Okay. Next question. Are there any pictures in your classroom? See the classroom here carefully. Can you see any pictures here? Yes. Yes, dash. Now tell me the answer. Yes, there are. Very good. Yes, there are. Next part. Next sentence. There are some pictures. Very good. There are some pictures. Very good. Let's see the next question here. Are there any boys in your classroom? Are there any boys in your classroom? Yeah, you can see the picture here. Are there any boys? Yes. Yes, there are. Very good. Yes, there are. Now, next sentence. There are some boys. Very good. There are some boys. Yes, there are. There are some boys. Now, next question. Are there any girls in your classroom? Are there any girls in your classroom? You can see the picture here. Yes. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are some girls. Yes, there are. There are some girls. Now, next question. Are there any computers in your classroom? See the picture here. Can you see any computer here? No. So, tell me the answer. No, there are not. No, there are not. Next part. Next sentence. There are not any computers. There are not any computers. Okay. Next question. Are there any books in your classroom? Are there any books in your class? Can you see the books here? Yes. Now tell me the answer. Yes, there are. Very good. Yes, there are. There are some books. Very good. Now, we will do page number 24. See the question. Write the question and the answer. Write the questions and the answer. Now see the picture here. You can see the table. So on the table there are 3 books, 3 apples, 3 cups and 2 boxes. Now first see the question here. We will see the books. Let's see the question. Are there any books on the table? Are there any books on the table? You can see the books? Yes. Yes, dash. There, dash, 3 books. Okay. Yes. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are 3 books. Yes, there are. There are 3 books. Very good. Now, we will see the next question. The next question is about shoes. Now, in this picture, can you see any shoes? See the question here. Dash there any shoes on the table. So, we have to complete the question. So, So what will come in the dash? Are. Very good. Are there any shoes on the table? Now see the picture here. Can you see any shoes here? No? No. Okay. No dash are not. There dash no shoes. Now fill the blanks here. No, there are not. Very good. No, there are not. There dash. What will come here? Are. Very good. There are no shoes. Okay. Now let's the third one. Now third one is about boxes. Now it's the question first. Dash any boxes on the table. Now what will come here? You have to complete this question. What will come here? Are there. Very good. Are there any boxes on the table? Now see the picture here. Can you see any boxes? Yes. Now yes dash there dash two boxes. Now fill the blanks. Yes there are. Yes there are two boxes. Yes there are two boxes. Very good. Now fourth one. Cats. Now so the question here. Dash any cats on the table. So complete the question here. What will come here? Are there. Very good. Are there any cats on the table? Now you can see the cat here in the picture. No. No, there are not. Very good. No, there are not. There are no cats. There are no cats. Very good. Now fifth one. Apples. Now so the question here. Dash apples dash. Now complete the question first. Okay. Now tell me what will come here. Are there any apples? Very good. Are there any apples on where? On the table. Are there any apples on the table? Now, can you see apples on the table? Yes, there are. Very good. Yes, there are. And how many apples are there? 3. Very good. There are 3 apples. There are 3 apples. Very good. Now, sixth one. Chairs. Now, the chairs. See the question here? Now, you have to tell me the question. So, what will be the question here? Are there any chairs on the table? Are there any chairs on the table? Now, can you see any chair here? No. No, there are not. No, there are not. Now, there are no chairs. There are no chairs. Very good. Now, seventh one. Cups. Now you have to tell me the question again. Now, frame the question here. Are there any cups on the table? Are there any cups on the table? Okay. Now see the picture here. Can you see the cups? Yes. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. How many cups are there? 3. There are 3 cups. There are 3 cups. Very good. Now you have to complete your active English book. Complete both the pages. Revise again. See the video again. Learn it by heart. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.